Hello there! Today I'm going to be decorating my front porch for fall, so stay tuned. For me, fall signals pumpkin spice lattes, pumpkin pie, apple pie, oh gosh, pumpkin bread, banana bread. Well, this isn't about food. This is about decorating your front porch for fall. And here's a look at my full porch. I probably can use a few more pumpkins right here. That's something I may pick up later and give you an update. As you may have noticed, it's not just a one and done, I'm going to set it there and that's where it stays. Change it up, move things around, have fun with it, and most of all, enjoy it and have a great time decorating your front porch for fall. Thank you so much for watching.